This is called the chalice. Say it.
Chalice.
Again.
Chalice.
Chalice. This is called the chalice. Okay?
Ciborium.
Ciborium. Repeat.
Ciborium.
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 Again.
Ciborium.
Very good. Now, if there are two, you call them in Latin ciboria. Two of them will be called ciboria. One is called ciborium. Okay? Okay? Ciborium or ciboria. Two of them. Now, here you put the host for consecration. You put the host here. See the host? When we are about to celebrate, we pour it here. Okay? For consecration. When it is consecrated, it becomes the body of who?
Christ.
Very good. Now, this here, you see the cross here to mark it, is called the purificator. Repeat.
Purificator.
Purificator.
Purify.
Then this is called the purificator. It is used to purify. Okay? When you pour wine, after the priest has finished drinking, okay, you see people who are handing this cup during communion. When you receive, they wipe it. When you receive, they wipe it. Okay? That's why it's called the purificator. Again?
Purificator.
Very good. Purificator. Good. Now, remember we said that this is called ciborium. Okay? Now, okay. This is called corporal. Again? Corporal. You know what is corpus? Corpus means body. Corpus means body. So the corporal, where the body of Christ is laid. For example, during Mass, is put it here, and then let me use the bigger one. Now all these things are placed on the top on the top of this ciborium. Of this corporal, and even this. You can even leave this here. Okay. So when it is consecrated, it becomes the body of Christ. So this is the one that received all these things as put on the corporal. Okay? You know, when the priest washes his hands, okay, then he uses this to wipe it. Okay? This is called a finger towel. Repeat?
Finger towel.
Finger towel. You know what is towel, isn't it? So before I teach you others, I want to go back again. This is called?
Chalice.
Very good, very good. This one?
Ciborium.
Ciborium. Again?
Ciborium.
Good. Now, this is called purificator. Purificator.
Purificator.
Again?
Purificator.
Okay. This is called a what?
Finger towel.
Very good. Finger towel. Good. Get the cross. But who can tell me the difference between a cross and a crucifix? This is what really called what? Crucifix. You know? Why? Because there is a corpus, there is Christ here. Okay? If you remove this, and it becomes only this, no this, it's called a cross. Okay? So that's the difference. A cross and a crucifix. Crucifix has you see the body of Christ hanging here. If you pull this one away, it becomes only what? Cross. Okay? So we say, go and bring the crucifix, you know. Now, I want you to watch. See how it is put. Don't put it like this. When you begin to serve, otherwise it will break the hand. Just bring it here. You see this? That's where you bring it. See that? You see that? So don't make the mistake of putting it here. Okay? Because eventually it will crack here. But you put it at the tippers here. Okay? You understood? Very good. So now, you know, during the benediction or during the Holy Mass, this is used. Who can tell me what this is called?
Oh, wait.
Thurifer. Okay? Sorry, this is called terrible. Like, do you know what is? Something is terrible, but it's not terrible, but you can use that to remember it. It's called terrible. Repeat.
Terrible.
Again.
Terrible.
Terrible. Very good. Terrible. This is called terrible. And this is the incense bowl. I have it here. This is the incense bowl. You put incense there. See, incense is there. Okay. See incense. Okay. That's why you put here, and then smoke begins to come out. Okay. Yes. So this is called incense bowl. Repeat.
Incense.
Incense.
Oh, I know what you do with it.
Yes, this is the sprinkler, okay? And this is holy water container. Just make it easier for you. Holy water container, okay? So because you see, holy water container, okay? Okay. Now this is called what? You know, for example, we put it here. It's called a pattern. Repeat. Pattern. P-A-T-E-N. Repeat.
Pattern.
Okay? It's pattern. So the same thing here, but this is the bigger one to contain more hosts. You know, during the mass, this is placed on top of it. Okay? So blessed are you, Lord God of all creation. But now we use this one because it concerns other hosts to do it. Okay? They are called robe, other robe, okay? Yeah, yes, okay? Or the cassock, you can call it a cassock rather. I call it cassock for you. And this is the cincture. What we call it? Cincture. Again, cincture or cord, altar service cord. Okay? But it's better if you can remember the name cincture. Okay? Two of them are, this is the cruet, this is the cruet. Okay? That's why we put the wine and the water. Okay? They are called what? Cruet. Cruet. Called what? The Paschal candle. At least you use my name to remember it. My name is Father Pascal, isn't it? Yep. I'm Father Pascal. So this is the Paschal candle, where the people sit here to read, do the readings and to proclaim the gospel. It's called a lectern. Repeat that. Lectern. Okay? Okay, that's what it's called. Now, who is here? Who is here? Yes.
The body of Christ.
Jesus Christ. Yes, the body of Christ. Christ is here. Okay? So this thing is called what? Yes?
The tabernacle.
Tabernacle. Very good. All everybody say that?
Tabernacle.
Tabernacle. And wherever you go, in any Catholic church you go, the first thing you look to see whether Christ is there in the church is the sanctuary lamp. See the sanctuary lamp? You see it? Okay? Or the sanctuary candle. It is perpetually there. It never goes out. When it is about to finish, it is replaced.